So, yo, we just had the best pizza. Damn.
Oh, I don't want to fucking. Yeah, that's the best pizza I've tried so far.
Best pizza he's tried so far.
Wait. It's between that and piano.
Okay, you're right. Yeah, you were just saying.
Right.
That was good. That was good though. I'm not gonna cap to you. I'm not gonna cap to you. I was feeling more of Shake Shack, but I'm glad we went there. Yeah, that pizza was good.
Yeah. That's how you know I like to try.
Yeah, that pizza was good. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
And honestly, I was not expecting it to be like that. I was expecting it, the flat pizza.
Yeah.
This Chick-fil-A right there, Dundas is just down there.
That was like a pizza pie kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Like a lasagna, but pizza.
Yep, there you go, yeah. It was very filling.
Fluffy, and the dipping sauce in the middle with like the red sauce.
Yeah, the tomato sauce.
Yeah, pizza was very good.
Very good, man.
That was a hidden gem because we don't come this way.
Remember the name?
Nah.
I forgot.
What was it?
I'll give you a phrase. How far did we walk?
8 miles. Okay.
I knew you'd get it. You like that. We didn't really walk 8 miles, but basically.
Not dead ass. Feet are hurting.
Yeah, man. Are you guys live? Chat.
It's getting late.
Nah, the city don't sleep.
Sun is down. Freezing cold.
We got here 6 McLaren.
Jay. Yo, men's are still walking, fam. We're only at Aurora. At least we're here.
Close.
Yeah, we are. But then we have to go from Eden to.
But that's still not far though.
No, it's not that far.
Yeah. We're used to that.
Still crying.
You guys doing interviews? Ah, we live stream.
Wait, Dave's hot chicken.
This is overrated.
Yeah? What about Five Guys?
Five Guys is... Yeah, that thing is filling, bro.
That's a sick beer can on top of the roof.
A what?
Look at the beer can, the blow-up beer.
Okay, yeah.
Look, he's 30.
But at Five Guys, that thing is filling, bro. I remember I got a Oreo milkshake, fries, like a bacon burger. Bro, I was so full I couldn't finish it. Wait, did I finish it? I'm pretty sure I did. Actually, no, I don't know. But yeah, that thing is filling. But now let's see what's going on in Dundas. Right now, officially made it.
Made it to Dundas. First time being here at night in a while.
Yeah, that is right. We didn't come here. No, we didn't come here last time. Last time we came here, we just went
It was
straight
the
home.
light out.
Yeah, but this is Shake Shack I'm talking about right here. Okay?
Scene.
Yeah, burgers, frozen custard, fries, shakes, hot dogs, bunkheads, you name it. Looks dry though.
Hella.
Only the Showtime Sway are showing.
Where?
Somebody gotta do it. I take the G. Watch a nigga do it. They like, what he on? This is Alabama Omega, bitch. Welcome home. This is not a song. This is a revelation. How they get it? Nigga gone.
Well, whatever.
I walk over there. It's chill. Huh?
What should we do? No scope, no.
Ah, sim.